Well, we're getting ready to hunker down for this winter storm that's supposed to be coming to us. And unlike a lot of people that are running to the store, getting their milk and bread and eggs and all that, if you're out on a farm, you probably already have that stuff. And now you're getting like your chicken coops ready and other things on the farm ready for the winter because you got to take care of your animals. Gotta make sure that the cows have plenty of hay, and the goats too. They're kind of down and around there. And you want them to have some pretty good quality hay. This has got some alfalfa mixed in with it, and they really like it. Some of our goats. Pretty sure our one little goat there is going to deliver a baby before long, unfortunately. We didn't get the mail out in time. There's Phil. He's stacking it up because we're going to bring some more hay in here. We got to give the cows some more hay because they do eat it up pretty fast. Do you have a red nose like I do?
Runny.
Runny? Mine's a little red from the cold. It is very cold out there. Well, we got some more round bales and taking them into the barn. When the snow starts falling, I always get curious, how much snow do we have? We have 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, or what? And they're predicting quite a bit. So I made a makeshift measuring device so that I can see it from our front door, hopefully. I took a stick, pounded it down into the ground, got my tape measure, come out here, and I marked it by the inches. And then the really dark ones, those are every 6 inches. So we've got 6 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, and I sure the heck hope it doesn't get to that. 9:30 a.m. (10:30) now. Definitely not coming as fast as they thought it was going to. 11:30. It is 12:30 now. And something else you got to do during winter is do a little sledding. Don't go down to the creek though. He had to stop himself. Hello. 1:30, and it looks like we've got about 4 inches now. Well, it's about 5 o'clock, and it doesn't look like it has changed much out there, but it has snowed the whole time, but I think the snow must be compacting. Last time I'm going to do it because it's starting to get dark out. Well, can't exactly tell. I don't know, 6-7 inches, something like that. Snow's still coming down. It's nighttime, as you can see. Kind of a wet snow. All right, so it looks like so far we got about 8.5 inches, and it's around 10:30, I believe. And that's okay. If our forecast was 12 to 18 inches. So I'm okay with less. Even though it's still snowing, we're still supposed to have it for a few hours. It's kind of a fine snow. Well, finally ventured out today to try to get the animals fed and everything, and we have some damage. That used to be a gazebo. Kind of thought that might lose that one. Wasn't terribly expensive, thank goodness. Had to snow shovel all we could of the sidewalk and all. But the nice thing is, where we can, he uses the tractor to kind of opening it up so that if we have an emergency, we can actually get out of here. So he said it's been kind of slow going because there is so much snow that it doesn't take them long to get it packed. Another thing we lost, I don't know if you can see it from here, but right there was my one greenhouse with the high tunnel. It has collapsed in the middle. I was told that the snow would just fall off the sides of it, but it didn't. So not much I can do about it now. Gets warmer, I'll have to see what I can do about fixing it, if it can be fixed. I do hope all of you had a good holiday season with Christmas and New Year's, and that this big snow burst hasn't hurt any of you, and that you're all safe and warm. And I'm going to be heading back in the house myself. You can see I got my red cheeks from being out here working and shoveling and trying to get to the animals and all. So have a good one. We'll see you soon.